make it because you are heartless like a mosquito. Hutaiomoka. Leo tunapika Batman, sawa sawa? Comrade, sipatie Wanjakoya bote yako hujui kupika. Utakuwa unavuta bangi alafu unakula nini?
So this is a Kenyan TikToker who has been eating all kinds of things, and this time he tried eating the spider, and now this is the result. Just see the way the guy is just scrubbing and scratching himself, his face. Look at that. So he tried doing that. He has been eating all kinds of things, including a bat. So look at that one. And then he put downy inside there. Yeah. And then that one is watermelon, the bread. So he mixed them. And then later, after finishing, he ate them. That one is avocado. Look at that. And then he started eating. Wah. 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 Look at him. Guys, look at that one. Again, he made it. Look at that. I don't know whether this is a mouse or what. So again, he cooked that one. Look at the way even he is cooking them. What? Guys, I think we are supposed to be serious with our life. Man, look at that. Look at that. Again, he ate it. He ate it. And this is the bat. The bat. I've never heard of this. And he's a great Kenyan TikToker. Man, look at the way he was preparing all these things. And then eating them. Hey. Way. So after eating the bat, the spider, things changed. Things really changed against him. And he's in the hospital.
Fuck, nasikia nikaa sina uso na furafura kila we kandiete wokuga ndegu atia. Manzi nimedishi spider bana manzi, this is happening to my whole fucking face man. Make your fucking last prayers. Fuck. Nadi mikono man.
Subscribe.